Creating an Alibaba account. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated guide, I'll show you step by step how to create an Alibaba account. Enjoy this type of content? We've got similar videos on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alibaba is a top global marketplace and e-commerce platform. Founded in China in 1999, it connects buyers and sellers locally and globally. I'll put a direct link to create your account in the video description. On this screen, if it's not in your language, click here to choose it. I've picked my language. Now click Create Account here. You can also sign up using email, Facebook, or LinkedIn. To speed things up, I'll click on Google to quickly create an account. Click Google or use Facebook, LinkedIn, or manually create an account above if you prefer. Choose your email account. A message will warn that Alibaba will have access. Google will share your name, email, language preference, and profile photo with Alibaba. I'll click Continue below, and it automatically creates an Alibaba account. Up here, you'll choose your delivery preference. Select your delivery country, then click here. Add address or country, enter zip code, and if it's not in your language, you can click here to choose your language. Don't miss upcoming Alibaba videos on adding addresses, credit cards, and other features. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.